Leaders in Baringo County have called upon the national government to come up with an irrigation scheme in the banditry zone to give pastoralists an alternative source of livelihood to curb banditry in the region. And in Mombasa County, a lawyer has been charged with attempting to obtain 1.1 billion shillings from a Chinese construction company. Petronila Goren with these and more stories from the counties.
Bandits in Baringo County staged an attack on Thursday, holding 4 security camps in Mukutani under siege. An exchange of fire between security officers and bandits was reported during the attack. Leaders in the county have now called upon the national government to come up with alternative sources of livelihood, such as an irrigation scheme in the banditry-prone region to curb the insecurity.
We need more of this kind of irrigation schemes that will help us mitigate the issue of food insecurity. At the same time, will address the human insecurity.
Baringo South MP Charles Kamuren lauded the ongoing security operation by the national government, saying it will restore peace in the region.
This one now relies on government to support us urgently with that 26 million for Mukutane after this operation, which is ongoing. And we supported the operation, but after operation, what next? We need to sustain the people of Mukutane to coexist and live together. And the best way is to enhance farming there.
In Bungoma County, a clergy has decried over the shortage of COVID-19 vaccine ahead of the reopening of schools. According to the SEK Bishop in Bungoma, George Mechumo, the government should restock enough COVID-19 vaccines instead of concentrating on the constitution amendment process.
Tunajua walimu wamepokea chanjo, lakini wazazi wa watoto hawa hawajapokea chanjo. Wana uwezekano ya kwamba wanaweza kuambukiza watoto na watoto wakaambukiza watoto wenzao. Kwa hivyo suluhisho ni chanjo. Iwapo hakuna pesa katika Kenya, tunataka kuomba serikali, ikiwa inajali wananchi na maslahi ya Kenya, iweke kando mipangilio ya referendum ya BBI ili iweze kutumia hizi pesa kuleta madawa ya chanjo katika Kenya.
Elsewhere, a Mombasa lawyer has been charged with attempting to obtain 1.1 billion shillings under false pretense from a Chinese construction company. Stephen Kithi Kombo is facing 2 counts where the state is accusing him of falsely receiving money in a land transaction deal. Gombo is accused of attempting to obtain 1,091,502 shillings from China Wuyi Kenya Limited, pretending he could sell the farm a plot belonging to Tourism Finance Corporation.
July 2016, investigators of county in Mombasa County attempted to obtain 1,091,502,000 from China Wuyi Kenya Limited by falsely pretending that we are in position to sell them outside of land. Reference number Mombasa Block 169, the property of Tourism Finance Corporation of what new was false.
Mr. Gombo is further accused of obtaining 20 million shillings from the construction firm. He is charged that on April 18, 2017, with intent to defraud, he obtained the money from the firm by falsely pretending that it was part of payment to secure vacant possession of the plot. The advocate who appeared before Senior Resident Magistrate Rita Amwai denied the 2 offences. He was granted a 500,000 shillings cash bail with an alternative bond of 2 million shillings with one assurity of a similar amount. The case will be mentioned on May 17th. Petronila Goren, TV47.